Do you want to mention someone in the WhatsApp group? You can tag on WhatsApp group chat with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to mention someone in WhatsApp group. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. Someone in the WhatsApp group. First, open the WhatsApp application in your mobile device. Once you are in WhatsApp, find and open the group chat where you want to mention someone. Now in the message input box, all you have to do is type the @ symbol. As soon as you type @, WhatsApp will show you a list of everyone in that group chat. This is super helpful if you're in a big group. From here, you can either scroll through the list and find the person you want to mention, or you can start typing their name, and WhatsApp will show you the person name and profile picture for you. Once you see the person name, just tap on it and it'll show up in your message box. Now just type your message as usual and hit send. When you mention someone like this, they'll get a notification, even if they have the group muted, so it's perfect for grabbing someone's attention in a group chat message.